Welcome to the Snowstorm Chronicles. As you can see, it's 7 p.m. Well, you can't see, because it's dark outside at 7 p.m. But there's no storm. There's no snow anywhere. No snow anywhere at this time. 7 p.m. on a Tuesday. I'll be back during this short documentary of Snowstorm Chronicles. We'll see if the media's freaking out for a good cause, or they're just fucking batshit crazy and like to strike fear in people like they do with other stuff. Okay, I'll be back. Hi, people. Part 2 of the Storm Chronicles, eh? It is now 1:09 a.m. on, well, yes, it's Wednesday now. Even though it's Wednesday, it's still nighttime to me, but it's past midnight, so it's Wednesday. Anyhow, the Storm Chronicles, as you can see, there is no storm anywhere. See? Nothing. It doesn't exist. There's no storm. As of yet, there's no storm. Even though they said there was going to be a storm, it could still come. Maybe the storm will sneak up on us like Russia is sneaking up on Ukraine. Okay, that's a real bad example because that's obvious that's not what they're doing. I'm getting off track here. Anyhow, we'll see what's going on next. Let's go check it out. See, there's nobody on the roads, but a little tinkle of rain. Yes. No storm yet. Here on the Storm Chronicles of 2022 at the end of January 2022 in small town Ohio. Corn country. Obviously, no corn growing right now. Still, no snow. This is still part 2. It should say somewhere in this part that it's part 2. That's how you will know. Anyhow, we're at a gas station to get essential stuff like junk food and possibly alcohol or more junk food and stuff. But as you can see, once again, there is no snow anywhere. It's just not happening. Not yet. Stay tuned for part 3 of the Snow Chronicles of 2022 in small town Ohio. Bye. We must get junk food as the storm creeps up on us like a thief in the night, or like a turtle that's 100 billion years old. Yes. What's up, people? You like my hat? This is my Snowstorm Chronicles hat of this short documentary. It might not be short. It is now still Wednesday, and it's 5:49 p.m. As you can see. See? We're going to check and see what the storm's doing. Like my cup? Don't be hating on my cup. Let's go check the progress. Some say that this is supposed to rival the storm of the blizzard of 1978. I don't remember that. Anyhow, I don't believe it, but I haven't looked outside yet. So let's have a look-see and see what's going on out here. Okay. This is what's going on. I can't get the door open. This is what's going on. This is the snow so far. Well, that's the storm so far. I must say that I have seen probably more white stuff in the movie Scarface on Tony Montana's desk than outside here so far. That's true. This is part 4 of the Snowstorm Chronicles. We're going to go look outside. I need a hat first. Can you give me a hat? Right, that's a mask. Do you have another hat?
Here's your hat coat.
It's a hat coat?
Hat coat.
I got a hat coat. Okay, cool. I'm gonna hold that for a minute. It's a hat coat, like a winter one? Cool. So this must be the hat part. This is the coat part. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, thanks. Wow, that looks kind of stupid. Oh well. Let's go check it out anyhow. Let's go this way. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Cat cam. Cat cam. That's nighttime. Sorry, I got distracted. This hat coat is weird. Is that a hat coat with a scarf? I'm not sure. Anyhow, I gotta focus. Let's go out and look and check out the snow, eh? Okay, here it goes. There is actually a more significant amount of snow than there was. That surely is totally frozen. We could ski on that. I'm not gonna though, because that'd be dumb. Anyhow, I don't know if it's a storm completely, but we'll see. Not done yet. There could be like more snow on the way, they say. It is now Thursday at 7:30 in the morning, and I am going to go check out front with my new hat coat. My cat will guard me. See, eh? She's already getting ready to probably kill somebody if they mess with me and stuff. If I can get out of my own house. Okay, let's go look now. Yes, as you can see, it's pretty white out here. Yes, and it's cold. I'm not going in there. See? Not a storm yet. Definitely not the blizzard of 78. I know one time when my kids were younger, the neighbors made a snowman, and they made two smaller snowmen, and my kids asked how the snowman made babies, and I said, snowballs, because I panicked. All right. Bye. The ending result. Well, there you have it. Anyhow, I guess this concludes the video. There really wasn't a blizzard, so the media is not right all the time. There definitely was a short snowstorm that closed some places down, but not all of them. Just a few of them. So, I'm sorry this video wasn't more climactic, but there really wasn't a blizzard. It was all a lie. Anyhow, this place was pretty cool out here in the country, but I have to go because I really don't live here. I was supposed to remove the snow. I gotta get out of here before the people get back from Florida. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye, cool cat. Bye, people.